Looking for the best 3D printers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Monoprice Voxil. If you're ready to step into the fascinating world of 3D printing without breaking the bank, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Monoprice Voxil 3D printer. This little powerhouse packs a punch when it comes to quality and affordability, making it the perfect launchpad for your printing adventures. The heated print bed is your secret weapon, especially when working with tricky materials like ABS, ensuring everything sticks where it should. No more print failures trying to ruin your day. Now, let's talk about convenience. The Voxil is designed with novices in mind. Its top bed slides out and bends like a yoga instructor, making the removal of your masterpieces feel like a breeze rather than a battle. Plus, that enclosed design, it's a game changer for home or classroom use, keeping odors at bay and creating a safe haven for creativity. Speed demons will appreciate the Voxil's ability to churn out high-quality prints at a pace that rivals some pricier models. During testing, you'll see it capture intricate details that'll have your friends marveling at your newfound artistry. Sure, there might be a few bumps along the setup road, but once you conquer those, you're off to the races. With a layer resolution ranging from 50 to 400 microns and compatibility with ABS, PLA, and even snazzy metal fills, the creative possibilities are truly endless. So, why wait? Your 3D printing journey awaits. We made it. That's a wrap. Number 2. Eligu Saturn 3 Ultra. If you've been dreaming of taking your 3D printing game to the next level, the Eligu Saturn 3 is here to make those dreams a vivid reality. This beast is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Packing a punch with speed, size, and quality that leaves its predecessor in the dust. We're talking about cranking out a plate full of D&D minis in less time than it takes to decide what snacks to order for game night. Who knew sorcery was so efficient? At a modest 30 pounds, this powerhouse boasts a 10 inches 12K mono LCD with jaw-dropping resolution, 11:520x5120 to be exact. You'll be printing models with details so crisp they'd impress even the pickiest fantasy artist. Plus that 9H tempered glass. It's stronger than your willpower during a Netflix binge, safeguarding your precious LCD from scratches and mishaps. But it doesn't stop there. Powered by a shiny new Linux OS, complete with 4G RAM, your printing experience will flow smoothly. Lagging will be nothing more than a distant memory. So why settle for mediocre when you can step into the realm of not just printing, but creating with boldness and flair? The Eligu Saturn 3 Ultra is your gateway to an adventure filled with unparalleled detail and speed. So, let's get printing. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 3. FlashForge Adventurer 5M. If you're ready to take your 3D printing game to the next level, look no further than the FlashForge Adventurer 5M series. Your new printing sidekick. Forget those tedious battles with manual bed leveling. This beauty features one-click automatic printing that guarantees flawless first layers and rock-solid adhesion every single time. More time creating means fewer technical headaches. Sounds like a win-win, right? Designed for speed demons and precision lovers alike, the Adventurer 5M's Core XY structure can print up to 12 times faster than your current old-timer. It's the ultimate lightweight yet stable champ. Perfect for everything from rapid prototyping to mass production, delivering quality that's nothing short of spectacular. What's more, you'll love the smart perks this printer brings to your workstation. Change nozzles in just 3 seconds. Enjoy swift high-speed printing with a high-flow nozzle and say goodbye to stuck prints with a dual-sided PEI platform. With a lightning-fast warm-up time of just 35 seconds, your creativity can't be hampered. And don't forget about the dual fan nozzles and vibration compensation tech that ensure your projects come out detail perfect. Whether you're in it for the fine details or a blitz of prototypes. Plus, stay connected via the FlashMaker app. Monitor, adjust, and get alerts. The Adventurer 5M series is not just a printer. It's your creativity's new best friend. Number 4. Toybox 3D Printer. If you're on the hunt for a delightful way to bond with your kids while nurturing their creativity, the Toybox 3D Printer is your new best friend. You'll cozy up together and watch your one-of-a-kind toys spring to life right before your eyes. Setting up the Toybox is a breeze, so even the littlest hands can help navigate the process. Talk about teamwork. Once you're up and running, dive into the treasure trove of toy designs available on the Toybox app or browser. There's something for every budding creator, ensuring their imagination runs wild. Watching your creations materialize is like magic. Who needs a wand when you've got a 3D printer? Designed for kids aged 5 and up, the Toybox invites even the tiniest makers to get their hands dirty with your gentle guidance. This shared adventure fosters creativity and provides the perfect platform for you to connect, collaborate, and most importantly, have a blast together. Sure, the build area is petite and it only works with PLA filament, but the charm lies in its simplicity and ease of use. While importing external files could be smoother than a well-oiled machine, the curated designs are engaging enough to keep both kids and parents entertained. So, gear up for a whimsical journey of creation and let the fun begin. Still searching for the perfect 3D printer? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it.